Hi, my name is Kate. Today we're going to solve a logarithmic equation. We have log of 2x squared plus log of 5x equals to 4. Notice there is no base here. That's implied the base is 10. Now, since these two logs have the same base, we can consider to combine them based on the log property. Log base a of x plus log base a of y equals to log base a of xy. So over here we have log base 10 of the product of 2x squared and 5x equals to 4. So 2x squared times 5x give us 10x cubed equals to 4. So now, based on the definition of a log, we know we have to raise 10 to the power of 4 to get to 10x cubed. Solving this equation for x, both sides divide by 10 first. We have x cubed equals to 10 cubed. Therefore, x equals to 10. Now we're almost done. But don't forget, you always check your answers when you solve a log equation. In order to check your answer, we substitute x equals to 10 into the equation and see whether both sides equal. So check your answer. We're going to plug x equals 10 into the equation. And we need to check whether that sum equals to 4. You may use calculator to do that calculation. Now, this solves the problem. Thank you for watching.